Alright guys, I just wanted to share with you a new product we got in stock. It's a soil moisture tester, and the cool thing about it is it takes the guessing out of watering. So you want to have it 2/3 down through the pot and halfway between the pot and the stem. Each plant has a number that goes along with their moisture gauge and like what kind of moisture they want. First, let's start with the sansevieria. They're on a scale of 1 because they don't like a lot of moisture because they're succulent. Use my little handy cloth and wipe it off, and then I just put it in there. And so we're at 4. So this guy just got watered and he's good, and you don't want to water him because, like I said, you want it at 1. Alright, so we got this Rex begonia now, and this is more, wants to be at a level 2. Wipe it off. Put it in there. And we're at a 2. So he's good right now. Maybe check again soon. Alright, now this one's a number 3, the African violet. So they're kind of tricky, so this is perfect for your African violet. I'm going to wipe it off. Set it in there. We want it to be at a level 3. And we're at a 1, so this means I gotta water this guy. And now we've got an anthurium, and they like a lot of moisture, so it's gonna be 4. Woo, he's wet. Okay, so that guy's good, but I need to go water my African violet.